So welcome for today's class of English grammar, class 9th English grammar it is. So take down the question. Choose and write correct words to complete the following sentences. So you'll have to write down the monkey tried dash level best to reach the bananas. So which option is the correct option from this? It's level. Okay. So write down over here. So the monkey tried its level best to reach the bananas. Option D is the correct option. Next question is, are you good at mathematics? Okay, are you good at mathematics? So option B is the correct option. So I can mark option B. Moving towards the next question now. I found dash 1 rupee coin on the road. Okay, I found option A is the correct option. Okay, so write down I found a 1 rupee coin on the road. Last question is dash has to complete this job by 4 p.m. Okay, somebody is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Somebody. Okay, so you'll have to select whichever is correct and then tick mark. Okay, thanks for watching.